Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see how to easily get the new emojis on iPhone, so let's jump right into it. Now you might have heard of new emojis rolling out. All you need to do to get them is to tap on settings right here and then tap on general. From there tap on software update. From here, usually every software update comes with new emojis. All you need to do is to make sure that you download and install the update that you get, or the next update that rolls out for your iPhone, depending on your device that you have right now. Once you do that, go ahead and go to your text or anywhere that you want to add the new emojis in, long and tap right here, and then tap on emojis. You should find the emojis here. Again, make sure that you long tap on the bottom left corner and switch to emojis, and you might find the new emojis there. And that's how we do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.